What's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the most recent palette that Bperfect just dropped. This is in collaboration with Stacey Marie. It is her Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. This is my very first ever purchase or usage of Bperfect's product, and I mean, people weren't lying because I've seen reviews. I've seen people talk about her other Carnival palettes and how good the formula is, and this is amazing. But let me just say, I was able to get my hands on the early access. The process to get this palette was utter hell. It was utter hell, okay? It took me 10 hours to finally pay for this, okay? And that was from them saying it was gonna release at this time, and then they didn't send the email links until 2 hours later, and then it was just hell. But either way it goes, got my hands on my baby, and I love it. Like, this palette is gorgeous, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I completed this look. So before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, I think that's everything. Also, I was gonna do swatches, but honestly, the swatches are trash. Like, I just feel like this palette applies better. I was swatching them, and you definitely have to build it up. Like, it's not one of those you just whoosh, whoosh, like, no. But that don't matter because I'm not wearing my eyeshadow right here. I'm wearing my eyeshadow right here. Okay, so I didn't include swatches in one. It's 40 shades. I'm tired. Like, I've been filming all day. I can't be bothered. I'm sorry. But if you really want to see swatches, other people put swatches on their videos. That's so petty. I'm so sorry, but y'all. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this. I am so excited. Like, so excited. Well, let me make sure I'm even. I'm so excited to be playing with this palette. I hope it doesn't mess my light, and I'm pretty sure it is once I hold it up. Let's see. It's not too bad, but this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is like one of the prettiest palettes I have ever seen. Like, the colors are so well put. It flows. Like, it's so gorgeous. And I can keep saying that over and over, but we're gonna go ahead and jump into this. So I just finished filming a video. So if I look a little weird, I just literally did my entire face and took everything off. So, but I kept my eyebrows on because I wasn't finna redo that. But yeah, I went ahead and primed my eyes using the P. Louise base in Rumor 3. And to start off, I already planned a look in my head, so I already have something in mind. We're gonna be doing purples, so purple and pink, purple. We're gonna be doing those colors. And I'm gonna go into this purple shade right here. It's called Blackberry. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place this. But in the meantime, let's talk about this release, okay? First and foremost, it was utter hell to get my hands on this palette. Like, it took me 10 hours to buy this palette. Whew, but it was worth it because it really is pretty. And let me just say, you know when you see promotional pictures online and then you get the palette and, you know, they edit stuff? No. What you're seeing in those pictures is really what this palette looks like in person. That's what's so crazy about it, is that, like, you managed to make this palette look like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here called Pink Lily. So I'm just gonna go ahead and place this like right here. And I'm gonna go back later and blend. So this is my first time ever trying Bperfect's formula. And so far so good. So I'm gonna take another brush and I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend these two shades. And I'm not really trying to blend like large because I want to blend it in place. That makes sense. I'm not gonna lie, I'm looking forward to this video being done because I get to finally eat. I've been fasting and I should be able to break my fast at 12:30, so it's 11:33. So from about an hour from now. Okay, so far so good. We need to blend a little bit more, but so far so good. And then I'm gonna go back into that Blackberry shade, that purple, and I'm just gonna place some more on. And I'm gonna use a brush that I'm using to place it on to also kind of blend it a little bit better. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. All right, so the crease is cut. And I'm gonna go back into that purple shade that I first put on. And I'm just gonna go, I wanna make sure I'm going in this motion, because usually I tend to like kind of cut it this way, but I don't wanna do it that way today. So I just wanna go over this a little bit just to re-emphasize that the purple is still here. She did not clock out. She's still here working. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade right here called Fruity. It looks like, I don't know, it's some sort of like pinky purple, but more purple. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this on here. Ooh, I'm telling. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, Bperfect. And it's going on with such ease. Like, such ease. I'm impressed. And I'm gonna go back into that blackberry shade and just kind of, you know, marry these two colors together. I want them to be very well acquainted. This might just be the palette of the year. Am I breaking out? Where the hell did these two come from? All right, so next I'm gonna jump into the shade right here called Tahiti. Ooh, I like this shade, but I don't think I like the brush that I chose to put this on with. I do not like this brush at all. Do you guys watch Housewives, specifically the Housewives of Potomac? This season is getting juicy. It's going to be really juicy. And let me just say, I am here for Miss Wendy, okay? My Nigerian queen. I just love it. Because I'm Nigerian, if you don't know, and I'm also Igbo, which she is. So I love seeing, like, you know, that side as well. Anyway, so I'm going to go into the Tahiti shade. Again, I'm waiting for this brush to kind of dry down. And I'm just going to go ahead and place this here. Oh, this is a really pretty purple. This brush is amazing that I'm using. By the way, this brush, if you care, it's the MAC 217. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like bring this out a little bit here. Perfect. All right, and then I'm gonna flip to the other side and I'm gonna go back into that fruity shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like put that color right there, because you see it's a little blank right there. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend these two shades together. Now the pans do have a lot of kickback, but personally that has never been an issue for me. I don't mind. It just means I'm gonna have some really nice pigmented eyeshadows, because if there's one thing I hate is having to like swirl my brush in there to get the product out. Like, that irks me. All right, so this is the look. I'm gonna go and do a winged liner. I'm gonna do a winged liner and I'm gonna be back because we're gonna be playing with some glitters. Y'all, Stream Twice as Tall by Burna Boy. That album is fire. Okay, but anyways, let's get back to this tutorial, because you know we in this piece doing a tutorial. I want to eat. I'm so hungry. I just want to be done with this. Okay, so I picked up some new glitters by this brand on Instagram called Slave by Kiara Glitters, and I wanted some chunky glitters. Like, I literally bought these. These are not regular finely milled glitters. These are chunky glitters, okay? And I got a couple of different ones, but the one that I want to use today is this one called Pretty Girl. It's like this, I'm gonna turn it this way because, you know, you can't really just be holding glitter out there for pores everywhere. But it's like a pink, and I feel like that'll look really pretty with this look. I just wanted to like take it and like place it on like my, what is this thing called again? My eyelid. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia Her Glitter Adhesive, but I don't know if I should do my lashes first. I think I should do my lashes first, because usually it's a whole lot easier to put glitter on, because yeah. Okay, I want va-va-voom lashes. Come on. All right, let me stop playing around, because I keep talking about how I'm hungry, but I'm here lollygagging, you know, chit-chatting up with you guys. Okay, so we waiting for the lashes to dry. In the meantime, let me go ahead and pop some mascara on, you know what I'm saying? I got a confession to make. I don't rush a date. Commitment is an enemy to me. But ever since her lips touched my face, it's like a kiss was lace. I'm fiend, I'm fiend, I'm fiend. Singing wheat, I weave. Usually like to slow down the pace. Love to tease and play. But girl, I need a beat a rap with you. But ever since her lips touched my face, it's like a kiss was lace. I'm fiend, I'm fiend, I'm fiend. Don't I just sound amazing? I should honestly have a record deal. I don't know why I don't. Like, I sound phenomenal. Okay, so I'm gonna take my ABH, the glitter adhesive, and I'm gonna put some of this on the back of my hand. Alrighty, so that is that. I do like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'm gonna be back to show you guys how I'm gonna do the lower lash line. Alrighty, so I have my face done. I'm gonna go into this ColourPop eyeliner called Insomniac? Whatever. It's like this Barbie pink liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Alright, so I'm gonna take the purple shade that I put here, the Tahiti shade, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like bring this further down here. And then I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna go into the fruity shade, which is the one in the middle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like sweep this into each other. And then lastly, I'm going to take the blackberry shade, and we're just gonna go ahead and place this here. I'm gonna go into the black shade in the palette called Black Beach, like a beach, not like the other word, you know. I like this, but I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to put black eyeliner in the waterline. I'm tempted, but I'm gonna resist, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna go ahead and do the lips. I'm just gonna throw on a nude lip, and then I'll be back to show you guys everything completed and just give you my final thoughts on this palette. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming this video. Today was a very long day. I did 2 separate makeup tutorials in one day. I've never done that before, so I'm quite tired and I'm ready to just sit down and not do anything, even though I'm about to start editing these videos. But anyways, this is the Bperfect Stacey Marie Carnival palette, and if you are able to get your hands on this when they restock, by the way, this is not limited edition, so they should be restocking this. I saw that Stacey Marie said that it should be coming back at the end of this month. I would highly recommend you getting your hands on it. This is like one of the most perfect rainbow palettes you will ever see on the market. Highly pigmented, beautiful blend, and I love, like, here's the thing. Sometimes with rainbow palettes, like, you will see them put one of each shade, which is cool, but sometimes you need variations of certain shades, and I feel like when it comes to purples and pinks, blues and greens are the shades that you need variation of. Like, it's kind of hard to make a variation of yellow. Like, I mean, it's either primary yellow or a sunflower yellow, school bus yellow. Like, I mean, you can only do yellow so much. And then orange as well too. Like, orange has its range before it starts moving into like reds. So I love the fact that there's variation in here, and I really like, when I say I want to play with the greens and the blues in this palette, oh my goodness, it's beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on the early access. But yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Also, check out my other videos. I have a whole plethora of videos that you can check out, you know. But yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.